Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Yixer. Ever wanted to remove the background from an image using Photoshop? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll show you how to make your images stand out by easily removing distracting backgrounds. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Open Photoshop. Then open your image file. Select your image layer. Go to Select. Click Subject. Then wait a few seconds. Well, now Photoshop select the subject that we need to remove background on him. And for remove background, click here. Like that. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in other video.